Passage number 57, Lahore, the Punjab government has plans to freeze recruitment against all seats vacant for the last 2 years, except in health and police departments. Besides rationalizing the new recruitments in the upcoming budget for financial year 2020 to 21 to meet the challenges owing to the ravages of lockdown, first. Though the government was suggested to impose a 10% salary cut for 3 months for officers of BS 18 to BS 22, the proposal could not get through and a decision was taken not to cut salaries of the government employees, first. The government, however, decided not to increase the salaries and pensions, full stop. Sources say the Punjab government intends moving away from subsidy culture and save rupees 30 billion during the next financial year, full stop. It intends to set aside rupees 98 billion for COVID-19 related expenditure, full stop. New para. The break-up of rupees 98 billion shows rupees 10 billion for new recruitments. In health departments, rupees 35 billion for 20% of the existing workforce in health department. Rupees 13 billion for COVID-19 specific block allocations on current side. Rupees 30 billion for economic stimulus package for micro, small and medium enterprises, and rupees 10 billion for tax relief package, full stop. In order to fine tune the upcoming budget for 2020 to 21, ahead of the Punjab Assembly budget session on Monday, the Punjab government has called the provincial cabinet meeting in the morning to deliberate on and give a go-ahead for annual budget for the financial year 2020 to 21 and supplementary budget statement for 2019 to 20, full stop. Chief Minister Usman Buzdar has also called the PTI Provincial Parliamentary Party meeting soon after the cabinet meeting to formulate a strategy with regard to the Punjab Assembly budget session, full stop. New para. According to the budget estimates, the Punjab government expects its revenue of rupees 2.241 trillion against current fiscal budget estimates of rupees 2.3 trillion, full stop. It has estimated expenditure to the tune of rupees 1.779 trillion, leaving rupees 462 billion resources available for the annual development program, full stop. However, the government wants to allocate rupees 337 billion for ADP and keep rupees 125 billion as provincial surplus under the IMF program, full stop. New para. Estimates presented to the Chief Minister suggest that the government has not agreed to the budget demands of the primary health, specialized health, school education and police departments, but sparsely increased next fiscal budget estimates from current year's budget estimates, full stop. The government has put a budget cut in all other departments, full stop. It is learnt that the primary health department had demanded rupees 148 billion, but it will be offered rupees 121.8 billion against current fiscal budget estimates of rupees 110.4 billion, full stop. Similarly, the specialized healthcare department had demanded rupees 152.7 billion, but it is being offered rupees 128.3 billion against current fiscal budget estimates of rupees 122.9 billion, full stop. New para. The school education department had demanded rupees 344 billion, but it is being allowed a budget of rupees 319 billion against current financial year. Budget estimates of rupees 304.5 billion, full stop. The police had demanded rupees 158.3 billion, but they are being offered rupees 131 billion against current fiscal budget estimates of rupees 115.6 billion, full stop. It is learnt that the other Punjab government departments had demanded rupees 702.5 billion in total, but they are being allowed rupees 618.2 billion. Budget estimates much less than the current financial year. Budget estimates of rupees 645.4 billion, full stop. New para. The Punjab government also plans to reduce ADP budget for the education and health sectors from current year. Budget estimates of rupees 42.9 billion and rupees 47.5 billion to rupees 33.1 billion and rupees 33 billion, respectively, full stop. The government also plans to strongly discourage purchase of physical assets, especially vehicles, offer no increase in allocations for POL and utilities, besides strict scrutiny of all supplementary grants, full stop.